Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. And in today's video, we are going to see some easy self-care doodles. More than ever now, it is very important. So let's dive right into it. If you are here for the first time, go check out my channel. I am Akanksha and I share simple doodle lettering artwork and DIY videos. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and do like it, share it. First off, thank you so much for giving so much love on my previous video. If you haven't checked out, go check out. It was regarding dance doodles. Now let's dive into self-care doodles. The time is very bad. We are living in one of the worst situations ever that any one of us could have imagined. But there are certain things which we can definitely do to take care of our own mental health, to take care of ourselves so that we can take care of others as well. For me, most important is that we check our emotions. Apart from all other things, I know it is very frustrating, very irritating. We can get angry on things because certain things are not turning out how we wanted it to be. There is no help sometimes, and there is a lot of things that are going on. The least we can do is help in whatever way we can and keep a check on our emotions, take care of ourselves so that we can take care of others. In today's video, I have given some easy and simple self-care tips or doodles to tell you how you can take care of yourselves in these tough times. It is very important that we keep a check on our mental health and our mental well-being so that we can take care of others as well. It is absolutely okay to go slow, to not be where you are right now, to not know आगे क्या होने वाला है because of all these uncertain conditions. So take one moment or one day at a time. Do little things जो आपको खुशी देता है so that you can go ahead and do certain things for others as well. Do sometimes your favorite things, take a break, focus on yourself. Most importantly, love yourself. The one thing जो मैं भी आजकल कर रही हूँ is I read a lot, I listen to music, but I take care that I don't read negative news or bad news क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा फिर मुझे affect करने लगता है. Also, make little notes as to what you can do. Plan something ahead so that you can look forward to something and have that positive approach. ये टाइम्स बहुत टफ है फॉर एवरीबडी and my heart goes out to everybody right now who is suffering in some way or the other. Remember, this is not going to last forever. There will be bright days, there will be sunny days, and it is okay that we make mistakes. It is okay that we are not in the place right now that we always wanted to be, but don't forget to keep that hope. Don't forget to be positive but negative on your COVID tests. I really hope that all this ends very soon, but जो एक बहुत important चीज़ है that we have to keep patience, we have to keep that little hope कि सब ठीक होने वाला है. I really hope कि ये बहुत जल्दी सब ख़त्म हो जाएगा and we will go back to being our usual selves without masks and without all this chaos in this world. But उसके लिए अभी बहुत टाइम है. We have still so much to fight for, to struggle for, and good time will come. I am sure that everything will be okay very soon. all we have to do is hang in there, keep patience. It is very easy to say and very difficult to do, but remember that we are all in this together and everything will be okay very, very soon. On this note, I wish everybody a very happy, safe time right now. Take care. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.